Cockerel sifakas, scientifically known as Propithecus cockerelli, are a type of lemur that got their name from the distinct call that they make as they travel through the trees. They have a lifespan of about 18 to 20 years, which is unfortunate because it's right before they're legally allowed to drink. Sifakas currently populate the dry northwestern forests of Madagascar. It's believed that these lemurs traveled from the mainland of Africa on tree rafts, just like furry little huckleberry fins. These lemurs are high-maintenance eaters. Not only are they vegetarian, but they also have specific tastes and preferences. Sifakas munch on leaves, seasonal fruit, bark, and dead wood in the wet season, but during the dry season, they eat mature leaves and buds.
Sifakas are able to maintain vertical posture on land and have a longer lumbar than humans. Their long, powerful legs and specialized ankles help propel them large distances like cute, fluffy ballerinas. Sifakas are great leapers and are able to jump on the most difficult of trees. Somehow, they are able to jump onto octopus trees, which are covered in thorns. Talk about being clingy. However, these primates side hop less elegantly on land, as if they are learning how to do the cha-cha slide for the first time. These lemurs usually give birth to one offspring at a time, with a gestation period of approximately 162 days. Infants start clinging to their mother's belly, but eventually ride on their mother's back during travel, similarly to how human parents walk around with those weird backpacks to put their babies in. The sifakas have a built-in grooming kit known as a tooth comb, which appears in the fossil record about 40 million years ago, giving evolutionary biologists a good idea of when lemurs diverged from their prosimian relatives. To help maintain their natural beauty, they also have a grooming claw on their second toe to help pick things out of their fur. They have shearing molars to help chew and digest leaves more effectively and have an elongated gut tract for maximal fat and sugar absorption. Sifaka hands have large distances between their thumbs and long fingers to help grasp tree trunks.
Sifakas live in social groups, with the female members taking the dominant role. Males are disposable and frequently rotate in and out of the group, so I think it's pretty clear who wears the pants in this relationship. Sifakas also tend to groom, play, and gather food with other sifakas in the group. To find food, sifakas spread out over the land and call to each other if they have a hit. At the same time, if there is a predator, sifakas alert the rest of the group of approaching predators and/or enemies. When two enemy groups confront each other, aggression is usually limited to just displays or chases. Currently, these sifakas are endangered in Madagascar as a consequence of habitat destruction, increased hunting, and going against the traditional social custom of keeping them maintained. The species is found only in 2 reserves in Africa, both of which are being damaged by the yearly fires set by nearby farmers. Currently, the Duke Lemur Center specializes in care of these animals as well.
Cockerel sifakas do have a famous member, Jovian. While you may not recognize the name, you will recognize the face as the star of Zaboombafoo, a children's show in PBS. Several lemurs auditioned at the Lemur Center at Duke on film, but Jovian's talent was second to none. David Herring, the center's registrar and photographer, stated that Jovian and his family were distinctively the most beautiful groups of sifakas he has ever seen. I do not know what David Herring was thinking. We think all sifakas are beautiful.